Good morning, friends, and welcome back. We live in a society which glorifies memory. People equate memory with higher intelligence. Children who can memorize better are praised by their teachers and parents. If you watch my previous videos, we've been talking about the fact that our environment is full of stimuli and how we need a function called attention to focus on what we want. We know that we spend time with useful or desirable stimuli and that we avoid dangerous or undesirable stimuli. But if you can't remember what is useful and what is not, you'll keep making the same mistakes again and again, right? Let's imagine that you're a small animal and that you're very forgetful. If you keep running again and again into the predator's den, the mistake will be a costly one. That's why memory has evolved and memory remains important to this day. In everyday life, if you don't remember what to do at work, your boss won't be happy. If you don't remember your wife's birthday, your relationship will be in trouble. So, how are memories formed? The brain has billions of neurons linked through junctions called synapses. A synapse means a junction between two neurons, and there are trillions of such junctions. When you undergo a sensory experience, electrical impulses flow through this network in a particular pattern. There is a different pattern for each experience. When you keep thinking about the same experience, the firing pattern gets strengthened. In neurology, we say neurons that fire together wire together, meaning the synaptic connection between them are strengthened. I like to compare this electrical network to a network of roads where the roads most walked upon get cleaner and nicer. And as you keep walking through the same roads, your route becomes clear. So, what are the brain structures involved? The thalamus integrates the sensory information. Then there is a deep structure called the hippocampus, which acts as a gateway receiving sensory inputs from the thalamus and files it away in the cortex for long-term memory. At the cellular level, protein synthesis happens in order to strengthen the synaptic pathways. This is called long-term potentiation, LTP. So it's like turning a dusty village road to a concrete road. These roads are maintained, that means cleaned up and repaired, when you sleep, especially during deep sleep. This process is called consolidation of memories. So I hope you are learning with me and enjoying as we explore the foundations of human cognition. First attention, then thought, and now memory. I said memories are important to this day as they used to be in the days of the survival game. Are there any ways to improve our memory? I will give you some tips. Number one, we know attention is important. So, improve memory retention, we need to minimize distractions. Number two, repetition is important to keep the neurons firing together so that they wire together. So, you have to keep repeating what you learned in order to strengthen your memory. Number three, in real life, most of our experiences are multisensory. So, while learning also, the more senses you use, the stronger your memory will be. For example, instead of reading silently where you only use your vision sense, you can read loudly where you use both vision and hearing. Or it's even better if you can sing it like a song. You know, in ancient India, they used to sing verses from the scriptures in order to memorize them. In schools, they use 3D models sometimes to help the students learn because that helps them make use of the sense of touch. You can also write as you learn because writing is like feeling every letter while learning and it strengthens your memory. And finally, number four, we know that sleep consolidates the memory. So remember to sleep well before the exams. These are the scientific principles to strengthen memory. More than all this, there is one more reason why especially stubborn and lasting memories are formed. Well, for now, let's leave it as a secret and we'll discuss it in the next video. Thank you and please subscribe for regular updates.